Hi, I'm Edward.
And I'm Kevin, and our science project is called Identifying Structurally Important Regions in the HIV-1 Particle as Drug Targets.
It's a long title that means that we're trying to find regions in HIV that would make good targets for antiretrovirals, which are drugs that target retroviruses like HIV.
We're in the same IP biology class. We got started on this project when we heard about the extent of HIV-1 infection in the world.
And in addition, we also learn how you just have to take a ton of drugs just to be able to inhibit the infection. So we then found that we could access the structure of HIV particles online, so we thought, well, what can we do with it? Well, we can try to find areas in the proteins that are vulnerable to drugs and are not likely to mutate, and this way we can pave the way for more efficient, more effective, and more versatile pharmaceuticals.
We looked for amino acids that were conserved, meaning that they stayed the same among many mutations, that were also structurally important by being part of bonds that held the protein together, and accessible to drugs.
We then simulated the effects of a drug binding to these important amino acids by using software that measures the structural similarity between the original protein and a protein we created ourselves, removing the important amino acids.
To assess our results, we compared them with past research and with protein function prediction software.
Two of the bonds in GP120 and the capsid, if removed, distorted the protein the most. Some of our other results were indeed supported by past research.
This gives some credibility to the process that we've constructed, so we hope that our research can lead to new pharmaceuticals that are more effective than the ones already being used against HIV-1 today. We hope in the future that we can test our results in the laboratory so that we can validate the results and methodology that we've made.
HIV affects millions of people each year, many without access to the drug cocktail necessary to treat the illness.
We want to make a difference in the world with our research, and really, that's all we're asking for.
Well, thanks for watching.